Hey, what's going on guys? In this video we are going to see an example of goto statement. Here what we are going to do is we are going to get an input number from the user. For example, if the user enter 1 2 3 4, it's going to count how many numbers are in that digit. Like 1 2 3 4, we have like 4 digits, right? So it's going to count that one and print it out. That's what we are going to do. Now let's go ahead and see how to create that one using goto statement. Now the first thing is I'm going to introduce some integer type of variables. Integer, let's put n, and another one c. And the next thing is we are going to give a prompt to the user to enter a number. Okay, enter the number. Enter the number. And the user is going to input a number. To get the input, we put a scanf statement. Scanf statement. Since this is an integer type of variable, the input is going to be an integer type of variable. We put a %d, and I'm going to store that one in n. Okay, so ampersand n right here. And the next thing is here we are going to use a goto statement. To do the goto statement, first you have to initialize something like this, because when we do the goto statement, first, for example, here we are going to say go to s. So whenever we say go to s, it's going to come right here and repeat it again and again and again. It works like a loop. Okay, now let's go ahead and create the equation for the counting. N is equal to n divided by 10, n divided by 10, and also c incremented by 1. And then now if we put a goto statement, it doesn't stop if we don't put a condition. So in order to do that, we always have to put a if condition to stop this one somewhere. So what we do is we put a condition right here. N is not equal to 0. In that way it will stop at some point. Now the next thing is I put a goto statement inside of this. Go to s, and that's it. Now we are going to print out the number of digits. So we put a printf statement right here. Printf number of digits %d. Okay, now we are going to print out whatever the value stored in C. Okay, that's it. Enter the number. Let's put some long number. 1 2 3 4 5. Oh, it's loading right now. I'm using an online compiler. Sometimes it says okay, 1 2 3 4 5. It's counting 5 numbers. Let's try another one. Let's try some random numbers. Okay, I have to get rid of this. Okay, let's run this one. Okay, let me run this one. Let me type it again. Okay, let's run this one. Okay, enter 8 numbers. Okay, that's how it works. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn C or C++ programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.